Dictation will be start in few seconds. Be ready. Start. How many times since campaigning for Lok Sabha elections began have you heard that rural families with access to tap water have gone up 17% to 77% in 5 years? Or that 2.6 crore households got electricity at home for the first time between 2017 and 2023 question mark, or that 12 crore new LPG cylinder connections have been issued since 2016. Many families are not refilling them, but that is a different issue question mark, or that there is a sequel to the open defecation free ODF scheme that is attempting to remedy last mile failure of the first ODF question mark para. Probably never. Either these claims have not been made or have drowned in the din of other claims about Muslim reservation, about fears of a change in the constitution, about which party Pakistan wants to win. Para. It is not restricted to one political alliance either. Have you been asked to vote for the coalition that brought one of the most potent laws for transparency in governance, right to information? Question mark. Or for the party that started the largest employment scheme of its kind, Manrega? Question mark. Or an alliance that seeded the unique identification UID system that powers Aadhaar and much of today's digital public infrastructure? Question mark para. Again, probably never. How is it that the largest political sales pitch in human history, canvassing for potentially 970 million votes to win the 18th parliamentary elections, has been so low on development issues and so high on desperation? Question mark. This in a country whose largest export is brain power, a country that is on the verge of eliminating extreme poverty, and one with 100% gross enrollment ratio at primary level and 80% at secondary level. Para. Is it that Indians would rather vote out of fear than for a vision? Question mark. Or is it that politicians find it easier to sell authors' misdeeds, real and hypothetical, than their deeds? Question mark. A late cabinet minister from Bihar who served under UPA and NDA governments once recounted to TOI an election rally where he was listing several development initiatives to an apathetic crowd. Then he mentioned the 2019 Indian strike inside Pakistan, and the crowd was on its feet. Para. That emotions sway people faster than facts is not a surprise. Social media shows us every day that people are more ready to believe comforting lies than discomforting truths. India, like many other countries, is moving from a society with normal differences of opinion to one with sharp differences. It is not that deep political differences did not exist in the past, but a majority of Indians differed less from each other. Statisticians call it one standard deviation than they do today. See illustration. This year's election campaign is both cause and effect of transition from normal differences to polarized ones. Everything is me good versus them. evil, no matter which side it is coming from. Thanks for watching.